Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add and organize bookmarks on Chrome. So bookmarks on Chrome will give you easy access to the sites that you frequently visit, such as this one. I have this bookmarks here on my Chrome. I'm going to show you how you can add bookmarks and organize it. So first, let's just show you how you can add bookmarks. For example, in here, I'm going to just open a page. Let's just try. Okay, for example, I'm going to add IMDb to my bookmark. So what you need to do is just open the page that you want to add to the bookmark and tap on this star icon on the page address in here. And here you can choose the folder, whether you want to add it to all bookmarks, bookmark bar, or mobile bookmarks. I'm going to just go with all bookmarks. And then you can just tap on done. And to organize or delete bookmarks, you can just click on this all bookmarks folder on your Chrome and open side panel to see all bookmarks. Click on that, and in here you can see all of the bookmarks that I added. So what you need to do to remove the bookmarks that you no longer use, you can just here click on this three dots icon to the bookmarks that you don't want to use again and tap on delete. Okay, so now the bookmark has been deleted. Okay, in here you can also filter it to the from newest, short by newest, oldest, last open, or short by letter A to Z or Z to A. If you want to close this, you can just tap on this to close the bookmark side panel. So guys, that's how you can add and organize bookmarks on Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.